Welcome to the channel. Did you know that you can change the function of the volume buttons on your Android phone? In this video, I'll show you how to turn a volume button into a power button using a simple button remapping app. This can be especially useful if your power button is broken, hard to press, or you simply want a more convenient way to control your phone.